Love the 2016 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, one owner, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.